Today I'm going to show you how to determine if a line is parallel, contained, which means they lie with the plane, or are they intersecting with the plane. So you can see that I have a plane here and I have three different lines. So I'm going to show you how to determine. Okay, so we have to write down the plane first. So I'm going to write down my plane here. So we have R. Okay, so 101. Okay, so once we have this, I'm going to write down the equation here. So we have 1 1 2 2, and we have -3 -2 and 3. Okay, so we're going to make R, we're going to combine this, and then we're going to substitute inside here. Okay, so we're going to combine this first. So we're going to have 1 -3. Okay, and we have this, and the last one you have this. Okay, so we're going to substitute inside here. So we will have this. Okay, and it's going to scalar product with my 101, and I'm not going to write equal to 2 because I'm going to solve this. And if you're going to solve this, what you get is 3. And you can see that it's not equal to 2. It's not equal to the right hand side of the plane. So if you have any unique solution that is other than 2, which is the one that is given by this plane, this means that the line is parallel to the plane. So I can say that my line is parallel to the plane. Okay, so this is for the first line. So I'm going to erase this. So I'm going to show you with the second line how we're going to determine if the line is parallel to, contained in, or are they intersecting with the plane. Okay, so we're going to do the same. I'm going to write down the line. So we have 1 for 1 and 1 0 minus 1. Okay, so once we get there, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to combine it together, and this will get me this. Okay, so this will be, sorry, we are not doing that. We're going to put it inside here. So I'm going to copy this thing down again, and then you're going to scale a product with your 101. And if you're going to do that, you realize that you get a 2, and this is equal to my RHS, the right hand side of the plane. And this means that the line is contained in the plane, or the line lies on the plane. Okay, so this is the way to show that the line contained in the plane. So I have showed you how to show that, how to determine if they are parallel and contained in. And now we're going to do the last one, the third one. It's going to be intersecting. So I'm going to show you how to determine if the line is intersecting with the plane. Okay, so you can see that it's almost the same method to do. So now we have 3 4 7, and we have 1 2 3 here. Okay, we do the same, we combine it together. Okay, so once we combine it together, you will have this. Okay, we're gonna put it down inside here. So just do the same thing. Okay, but the result is going to be different. In this case, there's no unique solution. It's not going to be 2, it's not going to be any other number than 2. You're going to get something like this. So if this is the case, all you need to do is to find the unknown. So you're going to just to show them that you're going to find this unknown, and this shows you that the line intersect with the plane. Okay, so that's all for the ways to determine whether the line is parallel to, contained in, or intersecting with the plane.